Welcome to Balay Ihungan Farm. Kami po ay nag-aalaga ng kabuti o mushroom. Pinapakita po namin kung paano inalagaan, niluluto at kumita. Kaya huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe kabalay.
Magandang araw nga pala sa inyong mga kabalay. Nandito nga pala kami sa inyong harapan ngayon upang i-mukbang ang siomai sa balay ohongan, tas ang fried siomai sa balay ohongan, at yung chili sauce sa balay ohongan. So guys, don't forget to click and subscribe our page, Balay Ohongan.
So mga kabalay, magbukbang kami ngayon ng mushroom siomai gamit ang chopstick challenge. So ngayon, sino ang una? Ako din una. Sige. Tala. No. Tala.
Hindi magbalag tayo namin.
Sarap guys. Ang sarap. Pero maanghang eh.
Susubukan ko lang pero I try my best. Hoy.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
Masarap talaga siya, tas gasado ang sauce.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure.
Kung gusto niyong kumain, punta kayo dito sa Mukbang sa Occidental Task. Hanapin niyo ang bahay ni Kuya David.
Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do
No!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You were not as tough as
but you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing.
Tingnan mo ka nga. Jaso ng bakba.
Don't wanna test your luck with me.
Apa di siya?
I think I've had enough of easy. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
Parang ba?
Timbul mo siya.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough
Kaya pa.
lately. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not enough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough lately. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not enough as me.
Yay!
Na, malisod. Parang isa na apa.
Ay, hindi mo talaga. Kabunan ka pa na, lapis sili ng rukdo.
Ba?
Yawa na yan ay.
Nita nagsilid rin. Ikit para.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you coming for me, hope you ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in feelings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't
So mga kabalay, abangan natin ang susunod naming gagawin. Mukbang challenge pa rin. At huwag niyo kalimutan ang click at subscribe our page, Balay Ongan Farm. And thank you for watching and bye. Bye.
Time I'ma live up, head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is a tough. 'Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Time